Okay guys, hotel review time. This hotel is called Zazen Boutique Resort and it's located in Pit in Koh Samui. Here's the room. Very unique, very nice, a very comfortable bed, but don't know what that day bed sofa thing is. That was very uncomfortable, but it was a good place to put my suitcase. The bathroom, very cool, very unique. Step down into the cave. Really cool, that's for sure. This hotel has an 8.9 out of 10 rating on Agoda, but it only has 557 reviews, which is not very much. It's also considered 4 stars. I'm surprised it's not considered 5 stars. It's better than a lot of 5-star hotels that I stayed at, that's for sure. The bed is definitely a 5-star bed. Breakfast was really good, and it changed a little bit. I was here for 2 days. The second day it changed a bit. That beet juice, it's all fresh squeezed juice. The beet juice was delicious. I did eat here the first night because it was a giant storm when I checked in. I wasn't going anywhere in that weather, so I ate here. The food was really good, but in my opinion, a little bit expensive. Lots of selection for breakfast, and the main things like eggs and cooked food was order off a menu. Lots of selection. That's the ceiling. Pretty cool, yeah? View of the ocean. The ocean was a little bit angry because the weather sucked. Look at that table, huh? Absolutely amazing. I paid 4,700 baht a night here, which I thought was pretty reasonable. But the prices change a lot, and I'll leave a link to Agoda in the video description if you want to go and check out the prices on your dates. It's a beautiful pool, but as you can see, it's not being used because the weather sucked. It was raining when I recorded this, just a light rain, and it was a giant storm after this. Breads and fruits and vegetables, salads, all along here. And that stuff is what changed on the second day. Open kitchen. I had the shrimp fried rice. Absolutely delicious. Not many people on the first day when I was there, but the second morning there was a lot of people having breakfast. The hotel wasn't full, but it was quite a few people there. Pool bar. Not very busy. Got the pool table. I'm not sure how many rooms are here, but it's quite a lot, and it's kind of bungalow style, 2 rooms together in each building, except for the ones on the beach. They're single bungalows. Getting to the $1 million question, would I stay here again? You see that? It's raining. Not very hard, but it's raining. Absolutely, I would stay here again. Very nice place, very quiet, amazing service, reasonably priced, although I think the food in the restaurant is a little bit on the expensive side. But it was good food, no doubt about that. All the trails going around the rooms are kind of like this. Water on both sides, walking through the jungle. Really cool. Beautiful, yeah? My room was down here. The crazy thing here, the rooms don't have any numbers on them, which makes no sense to me. I've never ever seen that before. The first night after I ate in a restaurant, I couldn't find my room. And I ended up trying to unlock somebody else's door, and that's never a good thing. They didn't get mad at me, but I don't think they were very impressed, and I don't blame them. My room was along here, and it looked like this, but this is not my room. See, two rooms together. Mine was in the next building. Heading down towards the beach here. This is what the beach looks like on a nice day. Absolutely beautiful. Not very big, it's actually quite small. But you wait till we get there on this day. This is in the morning after the storm the night before and before the next storm, which happened about 2 hours after I recorded this. It's a pretty small area, but as you can see, it's not the beautiful blue water that you expect in Koh Samui. And the beach is a little dirty, mostly just seaweed and trees and stuff like that. A few coconuts. But this is not the holiday destination that you expect to see when you get to Koh Samui. I tried to book a beachfront room, one of these, but they were sold out. So that's how I ended up in the back. But it was probably a good thing, because I'm sure during the monsoon rainstorms, both nights, it would have been rather loud in those rooms. This is my room. This is my view. It ain't much, but it was quiet in the storm. Alright guys, there it is. This is my review of the Zazen Boutique Resort. I think it's an awesome place. I definitely stay here again. Like I said, I'll put the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check it out. This is the reception. Very, very unique, that is for sure. Open air, really cool. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. That is really unique, that is for sure, huh?